Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you this commercial video I shot using iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you how I just did it. And let's watch the full video and get back. Okay, so this is what I just create, and I just found it on Instagram, and I decided to just do something about it. So this is the process and how I just program everything, and they're so sweet. So let's see let's see how I just arrange everything. So first I just cut everything. I cut everything together. Okay. Do and I write everything. I write the concept, how it's going to be at a set, and just shut everything and just combine them together and make it like this. So I just arrange the sounds. Okay, so let's just check the sound. Okay, so I try do everything and just download the free, I mean the free effect sounds, and I just arrange everything. So and I just I model my content and everything. I just render using Cinema 4D, do everything how it's gonna be. So this is how I just apply to this. So let's see how it just hold this. Do you get me? So let's see how. Okay, so this is how I just drop the 3D I add to this commercial video. Okay, so that's how I create it. So as you can see, everything in this video looks so amazing. So let's start from here. So I'll make sure that this thing is gonna match. Okay, so let me just remove it and then see. There's no sound, so I just put the sound over here. Okay, and this one sounds something drop, the board drop to the floor. Okay, and I add this sound to it, like it's just looking at the ball, and reverse too. Okay, and taking the ball to the top like this. So this is how I create everything, and this is what I just put it into it. So this is the 3D to it. So let's get to here. Okay, sorry, let me just take this one off. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the 3D part. So I just model everything and I render this part. So as you can see, the software I use, and I'm gonna drop everything in my description, and you'll get everything I just use for all the stuffs. Okay, so this is how I create my commercial video, and decide to show you guys how it works. So let's see and let's watch the full video, and I will add a sound to it. but make sure you just make sure you arrange it to match the footage well. Okay. Well, so I just breathe in and add to it. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to drop more videos for you to see how I put everything, and I'll just try to show you how I put and show my angles, how I write my concept all the time to do all the stuffs. So guys, subscribe to my page. I'm awake, and see you for the next video. Bye.